Very good evening, everybody. Most people, when they think of trading, they are thinking mostly stocks, options, but there is one other market which is extremely profitable, and that is the commodity market. For example, the market will close in about 20 minutes. This is the Indian commodity market, and we took a trade of crude oil, in the morning around 10:30, 11 o'clock. And currently, I'm making a profit of about 9,600 rupees. Now, what is my capital here? How much capital is deployed? Each contract of crude oil, you know, will be about 23, 24,000 would be the capital. And now, just now, if you see down, it has been auto squared off, and my profit has been booked, a profit of 9,400 rupees on a capital of about 46,000 rupees. So, on a capital of 46,000 rupees, 10% is 4,600, and 20% would be about you know 9,200. So this is a 20% profit in just a day. It's an amazing market if somebody knows how to trade it. This trade, let's have a look at the trade. I just booked the profit on this. So if I check out here, and let's look at a very simple trade that was there in the morning. This was an extremely simple trade in crude oil. Crude oil has come into a sell zone. This is where a sell zone of crude oil was. Okay, this was the sell zone. Sell zone of crude oil, and this is the place where crude has faced resistance, stiff resistance, and it started going down on the lower levels from here. The trend continued, and it was expected to move almost down here to fill the gap. This move from this lower point here to the upper point here, you know, was a full move, and a general rule of thumb is that 50% retracement is you can get, and it was an auto trade, means I didn't have to be near this trade for the whole day. I just came near it after some time, and we see that it was a very decent retracement level it gave, and then move up. Somewhere here I have booked my profit. So this is, and the moment I got on this was all the way from 3,805 all the way down to about you know 3,721. Somewhere around this level I booked my profit. The advantage of commodity trading is, see here, this is a nice 9,400 rupees of profit I have booked. The advantage of commodity trading is that you are not dealing with 2,000 stocks, 5,000 stocks. You're just dealing with nine commodities. These are the nine international commodities. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. Not even a double digit. Most of the commodities they trade in trends. If you understand the base trend of a commodity, it is easy to trade it either in an uptrend or in a downtrend, you know, for weeks altogether. If you know what trend following methods to use, how it will move, on what side it is likely to go, how overextension will work on this. So if we look at all these things, then crude oil, gold, silver, we have the metals, we have the energy, and we have the bullion. These are three categories to get in commodities. And if you understand what is the basic structure, you will be able, to make money in this one. This was very simple double top trade. You see. This is where crude has faced resistance earlier, also traveled down, somewhere around travel down, and this is where crude has turned back in the last almost 2 years, and this was a very simple trade of crude that you could look at here. So crude oil trade, guys, right in front of you. Similarly, you get opportunities in various commodities, long-term market open from 10 in the morning till almost 11:55 in the night. This market goes on these days. So even after you come back from your job, can still come and trade this because a lot of liquidity in this market comes in the night time. Evenings after the US market opens, a lot of liquidity comes into the commodity market. So this is commodity market for you guys, and I hope you learn it. And it is a wonderful market to trade and a lot of potential of profits into this market. So this is a nice 9,400 rupees. Great guys, this is Yogeshwar Vashishtha, a small analysis of crude oil, very simple trend reversal trade, and looking forward to see you again in one more analysis. Bye bye. See you.